G'day everyone, Scott from the Scullmolar Supply here. Just thought I'd give you a quick little walkthrough of what we're working with at our new HQ. So this is the outside, as you can see, lovely blue facade to match our colours, our logo colours. So basically it's pretty empty at the moment, it's completely empty. So we've got a blank slate to work with. So I thought I'd just give you a quick little tour of what we've got. So if you've been following what we've been doing, we currently work in a tiny place, like tiny, 15 metres squared. I'll just turn some lights on so you can see what we're going on. There we go. So I've got all this space here to work with for the new look SMS HQ. So my initial thoughts is over this section here we'll have some of our stock, some of our materials coming through. We'll have an area for bottling over here near the PowerPoints and stuff. As we move down the back, we're going to put some shelves and stuff in there for our stock and our more materials. Down the back, maybe some other storage areas. Over this side over here, we're thinking about putting in at least an office on the floor, then we're actually looking at doing a mezzanine flooring and having an office above, so we can have a proper office on top, and our testing facilities down the bottom, so we can do all our testing and spraying and stuff, all our new colours. Over the back in this little room here is our bathroom facilities. We've got a nice little kitchenette. So yeah, so we're going to go from around 15 metres squared that we work in, which is pretty tight at the moment, to this, which is 185 metres floor space, plus we can go up as well. So yeah, what I'll probably keep doing as this progresses, we'll keep doing a few updates so everyone can see what's going on as we go, so you can follow us in what we're doing and follow everything as we go ahead and put everything together. As you can probably hear, there's a bit of a racetrack out there too. It's a dead straight road, so we're getting all these clowns in their cars. Well, he's a bit slow. Bit of a drag strip, so should be entertaining on a Friday night. So yeah, this is the new look SMH.